Honorable Dr. Olanya Gilbert, re-elected MP for Gilak South constituency. Honorable Dr. Olanya Gilbert has been re-elected as the Member of Parliament for Gilak South constituency after securing a decisive victory in the recently concluded parliamentary elections. According to officially released results, Dr. Olanya garnered 13,533 votes, that's 63.34%, defeating his closest challenger, the National Resistance Movement NRM candidate Lakony Michael, who obtained 7,414 votes, 34.7%. The outcome has been widely acknowledged by supporters across the constituency, with many describing the results as a clear reflection of the will of the electorate. The victory was celebrated under the popular slogan, Gilak South has decided.
Scoring votes 56. Congratulations.
However, political developments in the wider Acholi sub-region have continued to attract attention, particularly regarding the Pade parliamentary race. As earlier discussed on Acholi Pro Evo TV, concerns have been raised over the declaration of results in which Komakech Christopher was announced winner by a narrow margin of 26 votes. Honorable Dr. Odonga, who demanded a recount in line with Section 73 of the Parliamentary Election Act, has maintained that the request was unlawfully disregarded. In a strong-worded online statement, Dr. Odonga expressed deep disappointment over the conduct of the elections in Pade, alleging undue interference by security and administrative officials. He claimed that certain individuals, including senior security commanders and local administrators, influenced the electoral process and accused so-called Balalo groups of distributing money on polling day in areas such as Laminchida, Red, and Odong. He further alleged that celebrations took place in Pade town following the disputed declaration of results by the Balalo. I cry for Pade, I cry for Acholi, Dr. Odonga wrote, describing the events as a setback for democratic practice in the region. Despite the grievances raised, Dr. Odonga has urged calm among his supporters. In a public notice, he announced that he would address the nation during a live talk show on Luo FM from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., calling on supporters to remain peaceful and to pursue justice through lawful means. I urge all my supporters to be calm and follow the law. Let us avoid any confrontation with security agencies, he stated, thanking the public for maintaining restraint despite what he described as wrongly declared results. Dr. Odonga, an advocate of the High Court, reaffirmed his commitment to constitutional processes, emphasizing his long-held principle, freedom through the law.